Toucan. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be longer than their bodies. They are native to Central and South America and are often found in tropical forests. Despite their size, toucans are excellent flyers, capable of agile movements through the treetops. Toucans primarily feed on fruits but also eat insects, small birds, and eggs. They have distinctive calls, which are used for communication within the flock. The keel-billed toucan is one of the most well-known species and is often used as a symbol of tropical wildlife. Toucans have a light, hollow bill, making it easier for them to fly. The size and shape of their bills help them reach fruit on branches that are otherwise out of reach. Toucans are arboreal birds, meaning they live in trees and rarely come to the ground. They are social birds and often form small flocks for feeding and protection. Toucans have specialized tongues with tiny hair-like structures for capturing and manipulating fruit. These birds play an essential role in forest ecosystems by dispersing seeds. Toucans are popular subjects in art and represent the vibrant biodiversity of the tropics. They are highly sensitive to changes in their habitat and are threatened by deforestation. Some toucan species have lifespans of up to 20 years in captivity.